This is a little bottle of water. And it is useful, right? When we are thirsty, we open it and drink it all. We, then, keep the empty bottle and plastic cap. But is it useful? If not, the little bottle and cap are denominated garbage. And then we know their fate. Wait, can we find a utility to them, can't we? This part you cut and transform it into a funnel. With this other you make a small vase. The cap, we paint and here it is, a clown nose. If it is useful, it is not garbage. The problem is that a lot of things that we consume every day are not as luck as the bottle and the cap. We use them, if there is no other usage, we throw them into the trash can. To get an idea, every human being generates, per day, an average of 3.75 pounds of garbage. In a city with 300,000 inhabitants, that is 510 tons of garbage per day. Or, if a company has 6,000 employees, it will generate per day, 22,500 pounds of trash. This ship with 4,000 passengers aboard, on a day cruise, will produce 15,000 pounds of garbage. Where all this garbage goes, everyone knows. To landfills or dumps. The landfills and dumps of the planet are not supporting the amount of waste that humanity produces. Because a garbage dump does not receive trash during the whole lifetime. In 20 years of activity, depending on their capacity, their lifetime is over. We would even mention the high cost of waste management for business and city councils. Besides the environmental damages and diseases, it causes the release of gases and slurry, plus fines, duties. But it is not necessary, because everyone knows the waste problems. Until now, no one had found a solution to it. This is a carton of long-life milk, and the milk was here, someone has drunk it. But if we return to the story to find utility to the trash, and blah blah blah, I think someone will send this little carton into space. Into space? You know, that's not a bad idea. Imagine it is going straight into the sun. As it approaches the sun, the heat of over 9,032 degrees Fahrenheit will shake its molecules until they separate. The carton will disintegrate and the molecules that once joined to form it will again be free to join other molecules and form other materials. Then someone thought, let's do it with the garbage from the earth. Let's approach it from the sun and separate its molecules. The garbage will no longer be trash. And separated molecules can be combined to create other things. That makes sense. But wait, how are we going to take tons of trash to the sun? And a brilliant mind said let's build our own sun. Vorax is the private sun of companies, hospitals, municipalities, ports, airports, islands, ships and any other place where garbage is a problem. A unit of solid waste treatment, which uses a revolutionary, safe and environmentally responsible technology disintegrates completely the garbage. No combustion, no emission of pollutants to the environment, without any risk of contamination. Combining extreme temperatures, generated in the free from atmospheric air atmosphere, Vorax dissociates the molecules of the garbage. Once dissociated, they recompose in the form of new commodities, fractionated in 3 states of matter. Garbage in and oil out, not pollutant and reusable. Garbage in and fuel gas out, not pollutant and reusable. Garbage in and iron or vitreous material out, inert, without any risk of contamination with several possibilities for reuse. And with a volume of 100 to 200 times smaller than the introduced garbage. Look what happens when Vorax processes our milk carton. The milk carton is formed of layers of paper, plastic, paraffin and aluminum. The disintegration of the molecules will dissociate these components. And as a result, we have non-polluting gas, used as fuel for the equipment itself. And a solid portion of pure aluminum without any contamination, ready to be used as raw material. Do you want to do the same with plastic bottle? Glass bottle? Batteries? Old cell phone? Lamps? Hospital garbage? Glass pot with oil? Bag with ordinary garbage? Belts machine car? Vorax devours everything without danger of any kind. In Vorax, the gas formation in the process is reduced, because there is abundant presence of atmospheric air in the process. Consequently, the formation of dioxins, furans and carcinogenic molecules are below required international levels. Term DOE technology is differentiated from the others, because it doesn't use atmospheric air during garbage treatment. It makes the process completely different from a common incineration. In the last step of the process, the remaining residue is melted at high temperatures, which results in a totally inert materials that can be used in construction. The garbage problem is solved, and without generating any other problem. Because Vorax is the imitation of what nature has been doing billions of years. The environmental revolution has happened. Vorax, unbelievable. Or better, amazing.